and apply blossom gel. Good like layers. You don't want to be too thick, you don't want to be too thin. Too thick, it's gonna spread so fast. Too thin, it's not gonna spread it for you. Something is get first on that, so I like that spot right here. So I'm gonna pick this part. I like that part too.
Hey, accent. So the blossom gel is the one Nancy using right now. Essentially, what it helps you is it helps you spread really nicely the gel polish, so you can make like easily marble look just like this with your gel polish. That's why I call it blossoming. It's to make your creation that much better.
It's like you just need to add 2, 3 or whatever color you prefer, and they will do the rest for you. Great. It's kind of let me move this on for a second. I'm gonna using a little bit of this sugaring. Newer brush, you're gonna see it soon. It's still wet, so I haven't cured nothing yet. I'm gonna just tap it just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna cure just all I need. So cure for 60 seconds. You can start seeing all the sugaring, so many different colors in the $5 nail art sections. I'm so excited. A little cute mini brush. I can't wait to share with you a lot of different cool techniques with you can use with mini nail art brush.
So accent for blossom gel, now you do not cure first. Once you got your marble done and you like it, then you cure. Then we'll keep everything solid.
Yes, so then you're gonna spread it for you, and then it does all the work for you. Only you need to pick a few colors that you like, and then it will do all the works for you. So when the nail's gonna finish cures, I am going to using my condensed glue gels. Something that come off from here. Make sure you keep this. Sugar glitter. Yes, Mika. It's so fun to play with this. You can so many different colors, just a little hint of it, and it's staying nice and like a flat on. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna give a little bit. You don't want to just brush it on flat. You want to get a little bit of condensed glue gels. This is so amazing. It's keep my 3D stay-ons forever. And where is my flowers? Here. I don't know whose is Eric's favorites. Is this one? Something stick on this. I don't know any of you are what your favorite color. What is your favorite color?
Mine? It's blue.
Your blue? Why is blue? Blue? What blue? There's so many different blue.
More like navy blue. It's just nice, calm.
No, navy blue is just so dramatic. It's not gonna be calm. Calm is like a light blue, baby blue. Nobody look at navy blue and they feel it's calm. It's like dramatic.
Navy blue is a little bit too childish. Maybe
it's not too
10 years ago, probably.
Okay, so I'm gonna key it first. Flash key it for 10 seconds to keep it straight. Please straight. I stay straight. to, I don't want to be crooked, so. Hey, Dom, how are you? Hi, Purple. Who's Purple? Hold on. Is Karen's Purple? Perfume is Obsidian's.
Yes, and Jane for the condensed glue gel. So put it this way. Nancy used the same pot every light for the last couple months.
Hold on. Is that how long the condensed glue gel lasts? I mean that how long it hold the crystal lasts, or how long that jars last? So I just want to make sure.
Both. So as far as the crystal goes, as long as you do your cure right, we have customer last up to 6 weeks. We don't want to make that claim, but yeah, we have customer come in 6 weeks later, it's down. But to be safe, you say plenty. 3 weeks, 4 weeks should be plenty of time.
For the place it on the nails, I mean, or how long the pots will last. Sorry. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels again. If you're using this, you mean a quantity that how long it lasts? It lasts a long time because it's so thick density, so it's not like loosen like a lot of other gels. Glue gels. This one will give you really ensure you and your client sit back, relax, is the crystal stay on, and then you don't have to go in and buy like so many jars in a short period of time. So definitely worth your investments. Can't never go wrong with that. So I didn't put any top coat on yet. I might do a matte top coat, should I? So I'm gonna do this. So dramatic. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. And you can use this for futures of whatever you would like. I can do so many cool things with that. I just love that to wrap around the flowers. You can do different design. You don't have to do exact the same. I just like to wrap around the flowers so it looks just like really cool, different. And then now I am going to using a matte top coat. Should we do matte or shiny on this one though?
This one you should do shiny. You did matte on the other one.
Okay. So perfume is Obsidians. Eric's is purple. Karen's favorite color is purple as well. What Dom colors? What Mika colors?
Yep, to the Mac, I say try to keep your condensed glue gel away from your lamp. Because like we have a lot of light usually around the station, and if you have it too close to your UV lamp, watch out, it might get cured and make extremely hard to open.
Yeah, just after you open it, you pick up whatever you need and make sure you close the lids right away to avoiding a lot of UV. Like even if you put it right close to the window where your station is, where your salon is, and you sit in the area that has had a lot of lightings. So make sure you are close the lids and keep it in a like dogger place instead of expose out to UV or solar a lot. Sorry. So I'm using this purple. So I am basically doing it's like gradually different sizes of crystal. You don't have to. Absolutely, if you feel like you just don't want any crystals on, you call it's good. I think it's gonna be stunning. But if you want to add some on, you absolutely can. Looks good. Oh, where my beads tray? Did you see it right there? I'm gonna add just a little bit. I'm gonna using a little bit, some beads on this. You can use silver beads, you can use gold, you can use obsidian. Hey, thanks so much, Perfume. Hope you lady likes it. So now our like schedule a little bit changing. We're just doing this to adapting something. A lot of things gonna coming. So please stay tuned. We really enjoying it doing live every day, but we don't want everybody to overwhelming. If you miss the live video, you don't have to watch my stream for 4 hours to get or fast forward to what you need. You can absolutely watching this, and each nails will probably about maybe 15-20 minutes or less. Well, it take me more to like talk about tip and trick and techniques, but if I'm quiet, I do it, I can get through it really fast. But you don't want me to be quiet, because then it's kind of getting boring, because I don't get to share with you what my tip and trick. So bear with me. I will not talking if we have maybe in the future the phones, the stream, the phones, we're able to can talk what I'm thinking. Oh, that gonna be in trouble, huh? If phones can think, can talk, or can say or can type what we think, we're all in trouble.
It's coming.
It's coming. Can you believe it? Because then our DNA is all over places, and sometimes you think of like